OnPassive is the ninth wonder of the world. OnPassive is a masterpiece of technology. OnPassive's products can only be envied, not duplicated. This puts OnPassive in an incredibly unique position. OnPassive will completely rewrite doing business on the internet. OnPassive will satisfy the craving of all internet users wanting to make and save money while doing business and helping their loved ones to have a better life. The mark that OnPassive will make when it opens for business will never be erased. Any company trying to compete with OnPassive will be outclassed, outperformed and outloved. Not only will OnPassive improve the lives of millions of people, it will improve the economies of countries. OnPassive is a positive legacy maker. OnPassive is forging friendships between founders from countries that don't like each other. Why? Because OnPassive is built with love and heart for people. That love transcends social and economic barriers. This is what makes OnPassive the ninth wonder of the world. OnPassive's founders are working as one big happy family. Founders don't compete against each other, we love each other. There will be massive wealth generated and there will be many rags to riches stories told by its founders. But the greatest joy and feeling will be looking at the smiles being shown by millions of ordinary people benefiting from the giving spirit and generosity of OnPassive. Let us make it our resolve to show how much we love and care for Mr. Mufareh and family for letting us founders be a part of his family. Mr. Mufareh, you have created the ninth wonder of the world, OnPassive. John White, USA. A Bill Must production.